Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide a post from someone in Facebook. It's actually very easy to do. All you have to do is go over to your Facebook app on your phones, open that up. Once you're on the Facebook app, you want to go to the top where it says Live, Photo, and Room, and just click on the photo option. You just want to then click on any photo that you want to add in. So I'll just click on a random photo or video here. Once you have one, you just click on Done. And then what you want to do here is right under your name, you'll see where it says Friends. You want to click on that drop-down menu here and click on Friends Accept. Then you want to click on people that you want to hide the post from. So just go through your list of friends and pick people that you want to hide your post from. Once you find the people that you want to hide your post from, click all of them and then click on Done in the top right corner. And then it would hide the post from all those people that you just clicked. Once you click on Done, it would then make that post and it's hidden from that person. What you can also do as well is you could actually name the stuff at the top if you want to, edit anything else if you do, and then you just click on Post to finish it. And then once it's posted here, you can also click the three dots in the top right corner of the photo, and then you can change it to public just by clicking Edit Privacy. And then you can change it here if you want to make any changes to it after it's posted. Otherwise, it's all posted. I hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to hide posts from people on Facebook. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.